Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. DTC P0326 indicates a malfunction in knock sensor 1, bank 1 of the Honda Pilot models from 2016 to 2022. The knock sensor is a critical component that monitors engine vibrations caused by knocking or pinging during combustion. This information is relayed to the Engine Control Module, ECM, allowing it to adjust ignition timing to prevent engine damage. An effective functioning knock sensor ensures optimal engine performance and fuel efficiency. Located typically on or near the engine block, the sensor captures vibrations from the engine, translating them into electrical signals. Understanding how this system works is crucial in diagnosing the underlying issues related to DTC P0326. DTC P0326 signifies a malfunction of knock sensor 1 located on bank 1 of the engine. This sensor's primary role is to detect vibrations caused by engine knock, a phenomenon that can lead to reduced performance or damage if not addressed. When the engine experiences knocking, the ECM relies on this sensor to adjust the ignition timing for optimal performance and longevity. If the knock sensor fails, it can create a situation where the ECM cannot effectively manage engine performance, leading to potential engine damage. The knock sensor is typically mounted on the engine block, sometimes near the cylinder head, where it can accurately pick up vibrations. Understanding this interaction helps in diagnosing the issues effectively and taking the right corrective action. Several possible causes can lead to DTC P0326. The most common issue is a faulty knock sensor itself, which may have failed due to age, wear, or manufacturing defect. Another possibility includes improper installation of the knock sensor, which can lead to inadequate contact with the engine block and result in inaccurate readings. Wiring issues can also contribute to this DTC. Frayed, damaged, or disconnected wires between the knock sensor and the engine control module can impede signal transmission. Furthermore, poor connections at terminals can lead to intermittent failures, making diagnosis more challenging. Understanding these components and their functioning is vital for accurate diagnosis and resolution. When DTC P0326 is present, various symptoms may manifest that indicate underlying issues. One prominent symptom is poorer engine performance, which may include reduced power and efficiency. Drivers might also notice a check engine light illumination on the dashboard, signaling to the operator that there is a malfunction requiring attention. Additionally, abnormal engine noise may be present, particularly knocking or pinging sounds, which can indicate poor combustion conditions. These symptoms not only affect the driving experience, but may also lead to more serious engine damage if left unaddressed. Therefore, recognizing these signs early on can prevent costly repairs in the future. The first troubleshooting step for diagnosing DTC P0326 involves verifying the problem through a series of actions. Start by turning the vehicle to the on mode, which powers the systems needed for diagnosis. Utilize the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to clear the DTC, ensuring that any previous codes are removed and focusing only on current issues. Next, after clearing, turn the vehicle off and restart the engine, holding the engine speed at 2,000 RPM or more for at least 5 seconds. This step is crucial as it allows the system to run diagnostics while the engine is under a load condition. Finally, check for any pending or confirmed DTCs using the HDS. If DTC P0326 reappears, proceed to the next steps. If not, investigate potential intermittent failures or poor connections. In the second troubleshooting step, focus on the physical condition of knock sensor 1, bank 1. Begin by inspecting the installation of the knock sensor to confirm that it is installed correctly. An improperly installed sensor can lead to inaccurate readings and trigger DTC P0326. If the sensor is found to be installed correctly, it is essential to replace the knock sensor, as it may be defective. On the other hand, if the installation is not correct, realigning the sensor with the engine block is necessary to ensure it functions optimally. Each of these steps is crucial in isolating the failure accurately and resolving the issue effectively. After addressing the issues outlined in the troubleshooting steps for DTC P0326, it is vital to conduct a final repair verification. Start by rechecking for any DTCs using the HDS to ensure that the issues have been resolved. Verify the performance of the new or reinstalled knock sensor to confirm that it is functioning as expected. This may include observing engine performance under load conditions to assess the response. Additionally, perform a test drive of the vehicle, allowing it to operate across various conditions to ensure stability and performance. This comprehensive verification step ensures that the repair has effectively resolved the issue and that the vehicle is safe to operate. Preventive maintenance plays a crucial role in avoiding DTC P0326 and maintaining engine health. Regular inspection of the knock sensor and related wiring can help identify potential issues before they escalate. Ensuring that components are installed correctly during any maintenance or repair work is essential for preventing future malfunctions. Additionally, regularly conducting routine diagnostics using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, can help catch errors early, allowing timely interventions. Such proactive measures not only enhance the vehicle's life, but also ensure optimal performance and fuel efficiency. A well-maintained system is less likely to experience issues related to knocking or sensor failures. In summary, DTC P0326 indicates a malfunction in the knock sensor 1 on bank 1 of the Honda Pilot models from 2016 to 2022. Understanding the role of this sensor in managing engine performance is vital for effective diagnosis and troubleshooting. Recognizing symptoms such as poor engine performance, abnormal noise, and the check engine light can prompt early intervention. Following the outlined troubleshooting steps ensures a systematic and thorough approach toward identifying and resolving issues. Additionally, regular preventive maintenance can help avoid future failures. Ultimately, knowledge and timely action are key to maintaining the health and efficiency of your Honda Pilot's engine. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.